Hi guys, so I wanted to unbox a new Neatcell PICOSECOnd machine for you so you can see the contents of it. So this is a new one. A client asked me to get it, so I got it for him. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me unbox it so you see. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. This is the manual. This is the manual, but the manual does not contain everything. That's one of the bad things about this. It doesn't contain virtually everything. It's written in China, or I think the only thing you can see here is this this place here. So yeah, that's it. Then you have your machine. Now this is the machine itself. This is the machine itself. This is the picosecond laser machine, and as you can see, this is the frequency here, and this is the intensity. This is where you increase and decrease it. This is where you increase your intensity, and this is where you decrease your frequency. And this is your protective glasses. Now you can't use this if you're using it on your face. Now if you're using the picosecond here on your face, you can't use this protective glass. You need to get transparent one because you need to see through what you're doing. Then you have this is a charging adapter. So yeah, and this is where you connect it. This is where you connect this here, you connect it with this place. So you just insert this here, yeah, and you're done, and it's going to on. And this is where you on off the on and off switch button. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you just connect this, you connect this to, that's all you need to know about your machine. This is your glasses, this is the main machine itself, this is your adapter, and this is where you just connect it with. That's all. That's pretty much all. So yeah,